Good day to you. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing, well actually guys, this is going to be a overdue or redo because I did this street without a name. I couldn't find it until now, so I took it from the McDougal Street. But right now we are at 6th Avenue and Minetta Street. So I'm going to take you to Minetta Street right now, guys, and I'm going to include Minetta Street and Minetta Lane. So basically I did a video on McDougal and I included Minetta Street and Minetta Lane without knowing that it had names. So once I finish this, I'm gonna do both Minettas at the same time. And we start the journey now. So basically guys, this is like a version 2. Again, I did the streets within the McDougal Street. Back then I probably didn't see, or I couldn't find the name plaques on the street, the signs. But one of my audiences told me, oh no, listen, they do have a name, and it's Minetta. And you can see it is Minetta Lane Street. So there's two of them. So I'm gonna cover both of them here. So this will be like a version 2.0 because they were included in the McDougal, but I thought they were without name, but they do. So we start the journey now, guys. So this is Minetta Street, Minetta Lane combined, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that right now. So I have them in the McDougal video, but under no name. Until they told me, listen, no, these streets do have a name. So thanks to that audience, thank you. So I'm gonna do a revision now. So I'll be doing Minetta Street and Minetta Lane at the same time. There seems to be more of these people taking videos and stuff. Okay, whatever. So right now I'm gonna show you. This one is Minetta Street, and then Minetta Lane is coming up here. So it's almost like a cross between the two of them. It's almost like two in one or something like that combined. So see, right now, this is Minetta Street. This is where it ends. Up ahead, this one, see, up there says Minetta Lane. So what I'll do is I'm gonna join them together. I'm gonna put them together, and now we are in Minetta Lane right now. So basically, I'm gonna fuse the two of them together, the Minetta Street and the Minetta Lane together, because I didn't do this in my last video that I had. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and do it right now. And you see, this one here, this street right here, guys, is called McDougal Street. This is where I included these streets with no name. But now, I'm just gonna do this video is by itself, Minetta. So we go here, and this is Minetta Lane, guys. Sorry, this is McDougal Street. So coming up at Minetta Lane, McDougal Street. And now we go back again and connect the circuit back there. So this whole stretch here is Minetta Lane. This whole stretch all the way down to 6th Avenue back there is Minetta Lane. Going in the middle is where the other street, Minetta Street, comes out. So I'm gonna be doing that right now. So again, we just came from down there, from McDougal, and this whole stretch is Minetta Lane. Minetta Lane right here, guys. And that stretch back there, that is Minetta Street. The big difference. Minetta Street back here. So what I'm doing is I'm just combining the two roads, street and lane, together. So coming up at Minetta Lane, 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. And then when I head back again, towards the east. See?
Good luck.
Minetta Lane, America of the Avenues, 6th Avenue. We go here, we go across. And now we're gonna link these two together again. We're gonna link these two together again. So we just came all the way from down there, guys. So we came here from 6th Avenue to McDougal Street. Now we're gonna take the middle street back there to Minetta Street. And you can see up there, guys. You can see up there, right? You can see them. It says Minetta Lane, Minetta Street. So right now we're gonna go to the right to Minetta Street. And we're gonna be combining both Minettas right now, lane and street. So it's almost like a T-type, crooked T-type. And now we're gonna connect the circuit back there, and that's it. So we had Minetta Street and Minetta Lane together, all in one. And again, guys, thanks for following me on this. And again, guys, thanks for accompanying me on this journey. And we're gonna finish the video right here where we started from, and Minetta Street, the actual street. And guys, I will see you somewhere in time. Bye.